From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a jarring alarm clock every morning? Can the Howard Miller Cambridge tabletop clock would really change that? Well, let's find out. This beautifully crafted clock is a game changer for anyone who values style and substance. With its premium wood finish, you'll love the feel of the smooth surface and the classic look it brings to any room. The built-in alarm function is a great feature. It's easy to set and the sound is gentle, not jarring like some other alarm clocks. The silent sweep quartz movement is a standout feature. It eliminates the ticking noise that can be so distracting, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or study spaces where you need to focus. The Roman numeral dial gives the clock a timeless, heritage-inspired aesthetic, and the luminous hands are a practical touch, allowing you to check the time in the dark without having to reach for your phone. This clock is incredibly well reviewed, with many customers praising its elegance and functionality. I can see why. It's a great addition to any room, and the fact that it's so easy to set up and use makes it a great choice for anyone. Whether you're looking for a stylish accent for your living room or a reliable alarm clock for your bedside table, the Howard Miller Cambridge tabletop clock wood is a great option. It's a cut above other alarm clocks on the market, with its unique combination of style, substance, and silent operation. So why not give it a try? You won't be disappointed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.